give her an appropriate summer bikini, and from here we went to this. Remove the strand of hair off the plate. We don't need Photoshop anymore. Give this penguin a pair of glasses. Yeah, oh my god, it's just perfect. qwen-image-edit was finally released. Yes. Now we finally have a heavyweight competitor for Flux Kontext. And let me tell you, this is pretty good. Well, let's see some examples. So you can obtain different views from the same image while keeping the exact style and lighting. You can also obtain other views, of course. You can also do styles, of course. R.I.P. GPT-4o. Now we're talking. This is the part I'm interested in. Image editing and object add or remove. Add a small wooden sign in the foreground in front of the penguins with the text, "Welcome to Penguin Beach." And there it is. And as you can see, the image is the exact same. No changes at all. Just the sign and its shadow. Pretty nice. Remove the strand of hair off the plate. R.I.P. Photoshop. We don't need Photoshop anymore. Now this is impressive. Change the color of the letter N to blue. Now as you can see, there's only one letter N and it's in the middle and it's orange. But here it changed only the letter N to blue. How crazy is that? Now, background swap. Another very interesting use case that the qwen-image-edit can do pretty well. Image editing in virtual try-on. I mean, changing the clothes. You know what you can do with that, right? So as you can see, it can do clothes swapping very well while keeping all of the other aspects of the image intact. And if you are wondering if you can do that, you know what I mean. The answer is probably, because it's based on the Qwen image, and the Qwen image was pretty uncensored. Text editing. This is absurdly impressive because the Qwen image is, the best text to image that can output text that I have ever seen yet. The qwen-image-edit can edit those texts. This is the input image. Change the text on the scribble titles from health insurance to financial planning. It does just that, and it's perfect. Change the word turn in on the page to turn, and it fixed. And as you can see, it kept the texture of this paint into the paper here. So it's just perfect. Change the phrase, take a breather on the note to relax and recharge. Replace the women with a man wearing traditional hanfu. R.I.P. Adobe Illustrator. So the models are out on HuggingFace already, but it's pretty heavy. Once we have the GGUF versions, I'm gonna do a video about it. But for now, you can use the Qwen Chat, and it's free. You have to enable this image edit, upload an image, and do the changes. Give this penguin a pair of glasses. Yeah, oh my god, it's just perfect. I uploaded my thumbnail of another video. Let's see if I don't have to use Krita anymore to edit my images. Change the text in this image to qwen-image-edit. Fully tested. It did that, but with a mistake here. I found that the best way to use this model is to do incremental changes and not a lot at once. Change the purple text Qwen 3 to qwen-image-edit, also in purple. Keep the rest of the image intact. This time it worked. Now I want to remove this one, the white text, and it did. We are so close of being able to completely replace Photoshop that is just crazy. If you are wondering, can you do that? I generated this AI image on the Qwen image itself. I had to re-upload because I can't edit from here. And then I asked it, give her an appropriate summer bikini. And from here, we went to this. Yeah, it does work. You can try it right now for free. And when the qwen-image-edit GGUF versions for Comfy UI get released, I'm gonna do a video about it. So let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe.